YouTube, what the fuck going on, man? It's your boy Greedy, and I'm back with another video. You did what I'm saying? Yeah, bow. I'm finna show y'all boy with that flush mat 15 round, with the 13 round, with the 15 round, with the 22 round. I'm finna show y'all boy how it look in that Glock 23 Gen 5 now. With the beam on that bitch, that solo fish motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Let me show y'all the clip. Clear. I'm gonna show y'all about what the mags look like in here. Real sexy shit, man. Call it motherfucking Bruce Banner. You did what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all why I call it Bruce Banner. Yeah, man. New name for them motherfucker. Bruce Banner, yeah. Y'all folk drop. What y'all think the name should be on this motherfucker? Drop name in the comments. On God, but let's get into it. 15 round. I mean 13 round. I don't know why I keep saying 15 round. I got 15 round right here too. It's 13 round though. Motherfucker look sexy as hell. Sexy as hell, yeah. Big Gen 5. That solo fish. That solo fish motherfucker latest light combo. Yeah. What the 15 round look like. I need a match sleeve though. I get me a match sleeve, I'll be good. Scroll on that boy. Scroll on that boy. It being right here so hard, I ain't gonna sit right here and lie. They the 15 round though, y'all. Put that 22 thing in there. That winker. That winker. Yeah, y'all see how sexy that gun is? Could never cheat on my baby. My baby right here. You did. Bruce Banner, man. Bruce Banner, man. Yeah, man, I just want to come lock in with y'all boy, man. Show y'all what these clips look like. Or magazines. Let me not say clips. What these magazines look like in these guns. Big boy 40. Gen 5. Hey, y'all want to know where I got this from? Y'all go check it out on Amazon. Solo fish. It's on Amazon. It's on Amazon, y'all. Solo fish. Good budget, like, you feel me? Ain't too much. I don't cost too much. I'm gonna do a review on it though. Y'all go tune in, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna show y'all boy how to put it on your gun, you feel me? So, yeah, man, y'all folk tune in, man. Glock 23 Gen 5, man. Yeah, man. I just want to come tap in with y'all, boy, though. You feel me? Just show y'all what the going on. You did. Yeah, man. I'm out.